Well, this is Luke with Evergreen Exteriors. A model inspection of the Torrance Bridge HOAs. Uh, this is post all the repairs, so we replaced all the pipe flashings with all the storm collars of the pipe flashings, I should say. Just like this. The new rubber part, just to seal up. A lot of these were deteriorating, and this is just going to extend the life on them a bunch. So the best one goes in the one hand, wall there, on right here, where you did hit every planking from you. I've also see right here, this used to be a satellite dish. I just dismantled that. So we no longer have a satellite dish there, in the holes where the satellite dish was mounted into the roof about now filled with silicone, so no worries about leaks. Up down here, got a few pipes here, our new pipe flashings on them. And then another thing that we did over here was we replaced all the plastic bath vents with metal ones. Just replaced the ones that are plastic because they are cracking, and you see a lot of leaks happen out of those cracked old plastic bath vents. But these nice metal ones are going to hold up a lot better. And down here we had a couple of fixes. Again, more pipe flashings, plenty of those. But right here on our power attic fan, we ran the shingles going over the top of this, at least on this course, and then resealed up the edges there. Also resealed the storm collar here, and again resealing these edges with some of this Henry's clear silicone. So this will be all good until we're ready for a new roof here in about 5-6 years. Right here we used to have a metal piece of flashing that was covering a previous vent, where they just kind of stuck metal over it. What I just went ahead and did was keep the metal there for the just because I didn't want to disturb too much what was going on in the area, and then we just re-shingled over the metal to give it a complete roofing system. Yeah, we have 3 courses here. These shingles are all new, and they should seal up here soon. Be all good. We also have moss killer on all the side walls with moss. That's what all this white stuff is all over the roof. I'll take you now over to the other units over there. I'll just move my ladder. All right, continuing our inspection. There's more of the pipe flashings we fixed. This was a super cracked plastic vent. Glad to have it metal now. That one probably was leaking earlier, but luckily there was no damage to the sheathing or anything. So all good there. Other metal web there. Down here, just more of our pipe flashings, more of our moss killer. You hop down. I've been going over and just throwing a little bit of caulk on top of nails like this. This isn't a super crucial part, but just offers a little bit more protection so these nails don't rust out. And it just takes a second. So there we go. And then the other thing we're sealing here, like I talked about on the other roofs, is just these pipe collars. I'm just doing, I mean, this one's pretty sealed already, but might as well just get a little bit more sealant on there. So we're just throwing a real thin layer of this clear sealant, just to make sure we're not going to have any issues. Just like that. Yeah, again, we got our moss killer over here. Some our fixed pipe flashings. We mixed every single pipe flashing. See how this is going to be all over the place. This one I need to screw back a little bit. It looks like this pipe's just a little loose, but not a huge deal. Get some more moss killer up here. Do the ladder and we'll hop up to this section. All right, coming up to this section here. Just more pipes everywhere. If you notice this black ring around a lot of them, this is just caulking to prevent any water from when snow or something piles up a little higher. But really what we're looking for is just rubber to seal this part off tight. And see, in the old one we just had air falling apart, and there's a big hole right here, right where the EPDM of the boot meets the pipe. Now it's all tight and sealed up, so we're all good there. I'm gonna pause for a second while I hop up one more time. And here we are on our last little area, fixed pipe flashing. This was another existing satellite mount that we have sealed up and removed the satellite from. That should just about do it. For over here, here's where we started down below. That was where that metal plate was that we covered up with our shingles. And then our pipe flashings, our power attic fan, which we reflashed. And that should do it. This place is good to go until we are ready to change roofs. And then we'll be ready.